Hello everyone, Simon here from myforesmagicwave.com. It's been quite a while. I didn't make a video for YouTube. I've been making a lot of videos, but for my subscribers. All those before charts, I cannot put on YouTube until the trade is done. So they are only for my subscribers, and got a little busy. So I decided to recap for several last few weeks. Let's see. So last few charts and the entries, just wanted to show them, how we're doing here. And if you're interested to join, you can come in and join. So this is USDX, US dollar index. I've been following. You can see I've been following it for quite a while now. Always following this thing. All the indexes. In fact, I follow and watch, very closely. Not too many people pay attention to indexes, but I really do, and I'll show you why and what happens. So this was May 26th. Okay, this is I've been tracking this, and this is the last one that we are finishing this correction here, and then it's trying to go up with A, and we needed to come down with B. And this is so far we are at the Friday close, right? June 20. So we, this is June. The month of June and July are very, very slow. No volume. Big boys are gone vacationing, and I need to be very careful. Okay, you're gonna have a lot of wobbling and sudden big moves, random moves that you just stop hunting basically. And need to be just careful. All right, so range are very pathetic right now. Euro USD and all of those fast moving pairs, you only have 50-60 pip a day movement. It's ridiculous, but this is how the month of June and July. So you're gonna have to learn and do other things in these months and get prepared for month of August, September. It will pick up again. Okay, and big moves will be coming in. So far, we've from A to we came down to B, nice and clean, and I already have the chart made where we're going to go from here. It's only like I said, for subscribers. So if you want to get it, you need to go on my website and subscribe. Let's take a look what else has happened. This is pound index. Look at this. I'm going to show you that. See the index, if pound is getting strong, a lot of pairs like pound USD, pound yen, pound Aussie, they all have a chance to go up, right? Everything involved pound. The pound is on the left-hand side and getting strong, and then all the pairs will be going up. Only euro pound will be going down, which it's been doing, right? I don't have the chart right now for that, but this is pound index, and I've been, again, following this triangle, breaking it out, and then bounce from there once we caught that move. And then this was another nice and easy setup, horizontal level, and then, trend line touch, and the pound being very strong. So it was obvious that it's going to go to this level here, 93.17. No doubt about that. And let's see what happened. This is what happened. Went up here, little wobble, and then boom, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, and then maybe it will continue going down or not. Time will tell. Okay, but for the target was met here. Okay, based on this pound index, obviously, like I said, the pound USD and pound Aussie, wherever you find a nice setup and the nice, you have to have a setup on those pairs too. If you think that a pound is going to go strong and all the pair that has pound, then you start seeing bullish setups. You're looking for bullish setup in those pairs. And if you find one, then you do it. So here I have a bullish setup on pound USD, and my target number was 70.38, and it is 15th May. The chart was made. So I had this scenario here. We caught this big move. We caught this big move. And was a third one, and I had it that we would probably go to this level here, drop back down to the TL and go, or maybe go straight. Both scenarios, so depending on how strong this level is. once we get there. So on this one, what has happened is this. Okay, so we went up there, we came down, but we came down a little too much because of the news, but eventually we turned back up and hit the target 70.38 this Friday. Okay, and we are pulling back. This number 70.38, 70.48 is very, very huge number. This is a several years high, and if you break that and go up, then all hell will lose. But just I think personally that it's not going to be very easy to break that. But if the numbers are keep coming good, which a lot of numbers are already in the price, good news already about the pound. So I don't know. Everybody right now is long on pound. So this is something to be careful. When everybody is just long, then there's nobody to go long anymore. Then you have a problem there. Okay, most likely a turning point. So let's see. We need a couple of days here to see how we're going to react around this. But this number 70.38, 70.48 is very, very important area. Okay, so we had it from here to there. We need to go there. We went there. Pound USD based on pound index. I just showed you. But let's see what happened on pound yen. Again, this is like a nice triangle sideways movement, ranging. But if you know what you're doing, then you can still, I was long here. We went up there again. Then we dipped. And this was the area. Then I says, well, if this is going to be holding, then this is wave 1 and 2. Then we will go at least to hit this black channel. See, I draw this channel here. So at least we'll say, well, we need to hit this, or if we break that, that will be wave 3 somewhere here. So what happened on that one is this. We went and we hit the channel so far. Let's see. We're gonna probably dip a little bit and then decide what to do. Maybe dip to 72.85 area and then go up and break the channel and continue hit this number and then maybe more. So let's see what happens. But so far I'm just showing what already happened. Another index is this Newsy. Kiwi index, New Zealand dollar, and you can see very, very nice, beautiful setup. From here you have exactly 61.8% and the trend line touch. So it was neat and clean, very obvious that what's going to happen. No big deal there, and that's what happens. Okay, so based on the index and yen index, I cannot show that chart right now. It's still valid for trading. So, but yen is getting weak, right? It has been. So if Kiwi is going up, then obviously Kiwi yen would probably go up, right? It's obvious. So let's see if we could see that we have a trend there. Setup. This was a nice calculated setup on Kiwi yen, May 30th. You can see a nice, beautiful trend line. This AB is equal to CD 127 number was right there, and this number was very, very important. 86.34. It is from the weekly and monthly chart. This number. So this is how it is. This is my magic wave strategy, which I'm going to show you some entries using that. But see, this is how it works. That if I know that okay, this is going to be bouncing and going back this way. So what I'll be looking for, we're looking for a long entry, it's not short entry, and we need to see a long 5-minute setup, using my Forex magic wave strategy. And then if that happens, that is a confirmation that yeah, really we are going up. And then you just take it and hang on to it. So this one, Kiwi yen, what happened here is this. See, it went straight, like listening to me or seeing my chart. So this is what happened. So it's too many charts, too many things that cannot show you everything. So let's take a look a few entries. how the magic wave work. This is the chart of Euro Aussie. Let me see. Yeah, this June 16. This is how it is that, if you're coming down and you are like these are my longer time frame setups, and you are some kind of setup and expecting a bounce from somewhere here. You have a line here, and then you see a setup, and then it's all of a sudden bounce. This is exactly what happens at the bounce. Let's say, for example, I don't have the 5-minute chart of yen, but see if this area, if it were to bounce, it will go above the 5-minute wave setup, and it will give you a setup, and then it will start flying from there, just like here. So let's say this is the trend line, then it will come and hit the trend line, and you see this, the wave is below the yellow line, and then all of a sudden it bounce. It goes above the wave, come down inside the wave, and then give you this bullish candle. This is what it is. Price retraces into the magic wave, then comes out with the momentum bar while indicator confirms the entry. I got a couple of indicators that if they are aligned with this whole setup and this candle, that's it. Then you take it and bye-bye. So let me just see. Same kind of setup, same happened here. The price was coming down, then slowly goes above it. This was also a nice entry, but this one is a very clear big entry, right? This one, it's a lot of them. This whole setup, this whole scenario, this whole template gives you a very nice decent entry, especially if you know what is happening to that pair from the higher time frame. Like I just show you the before charts, before and after. So once you know that, it is very easy. Euro USD 5-minute, that, and let's say this is a pound Aussie 5-minute. See how it is? The price was coming down, hit the support, bounce back up, start moving, give you a setup here, setup here, setup here. It's a lot of them. Let's see this one. Let's see this pound yen. We just saw pound was getting strong, so all you gotta look for long setups, and the setups are everywhere. Setups are even 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, same kind of setup you'll see everywhere. And this is USD franc 5-minute on Friday. See, the price came, hit the support, give you a setup, and gone. Not big moves because, like I said, June very slow. So maybe 30, 35, 40 pip, 50 pip. You just need to take and run. USD yen 5-minute Friday. See how it is again. Price was dropping, found support, and then the wave goes above the yellow line. Give you the setup. Another setup, gone. June 20. You can see on your charts. You'll find these. Aussie 17. See this? The price was going up. This was a big number there, 93.87. I don't know what is that, the one? Yeah, somewhere here. So 93.87 is a very, very strong resistance. It was somewhere here, and start coming down below the yellow line. The wave came down, gave you a setup, boom, all the way down. CAD yen on the 20th, CAD news. There was a big news, but before the news, it already made the turn. You see, technicals are very strong. It doesn't matter if what news comes in. If you follow the technical and the news comes with it, then it's like awesome. So the price already made the turn and then start going up, right? Nice and clean, beautiful move, slowly accumulation, and then the setup is there, still accumulation, and the news comes in and boom, it's gone. And this is we probably saw it already. So these are a few entries out of many, and some setups they go bad. It's not about that, but I don't show it because it doesn't worth any. Because let's say if for example, see, that happens very few times, because if you have a support, then obviously even if you think, let's say this is a setup, then right into the support, you're not going to take it, okay, unless the support breaks. But a lot of people are still making that mistake, just going by the setups and not paying attention to the higher time frame, which is very important. That's why I try to send the charts as many as possible. Lately, I've been making a course. I'm doing very busy, but I will be, become pretty active again. And those higher time frame analysis is very important. That if you have a support, you have a trend line bounce. That's where you have to find out that if you can make the turn and find this setup and go. And see, like this one was a setup. If you miss this one, you have this one, you have this one. So it's all there. As soon as if the turn is made, you have several setups, by the way. But it is very important to take this right setup. Not, don't go short or take a short setup at this, just above the support or just below the resistance. Taking a long setup is wrong. Okay. Even then, even if it is wrong, these setups, the rule is that we place this SL just below the wave. So imagine from here to here, not even 15 pips. So your SL is never more than 18, 20 pips on a 5-minute chart entry. And if you miss the entry, or if your SL hit, if you made a mistake, your SL hit, all you lose is 20 pips. You wait for the right trade. It comes along, it gives you 50, 60 easy. So you cover very easily. But if you keep making mistakes, then that's a different story. So yes, and since some learning is there, a lot of learning, but for the right thing, learning is worthwhile. Okay, so if you learn it properly, you understand it properly, it's easy. No hanky-panky. It's not a rocket science. Just like I said, all these higher time frames. Look at these. I mean, it's clearly you have 1, 2. You have trend line support, horizontal level support. If it were to bounce, all you gotta look for is just magic wave setup, going long, fine. If it drops, forget it. Leave it alone. Go some other pair. This is how it is. Okay. So just wanted to show you. And if you like it, go my website, take a look, move around there. And I'm making this harmonic pattern course there. And once it's ready, I will be posting on my website. It will be available, very cheap, but it will give you a very good idea about harmonic pattern and creatively creating them creatively before the patterns even finish. I like to, and I love to play and trade the last legs, like CD leg, before it get to D. We start trading for CD leg, and most of the time we make a lot of pips out of that, because CD leg, let's say on a butterfly or a bat pattern, is a big one. I don't want to miss that. And if you go on my website, you will see they are all over the place, before and after. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.